Okay, so out of all of these problems, sales tax is probably the one thing you're going to use the most, since every time you go to the grocery store, you go to the store, you're going to have to pay sales tax. So this one is actually a great one to deal with. Now, I know when you're at the store, you're probably going to have a calculator if you want to do sales tax, but this is how you do it by hand, since the test isn't going to have a calculator. Something like this could actually be on the test, but this will probably be the hardest multiplication that you would have to do. So in the state of Colorado, there's a sales tax of 2.9% on all goods purchased. If Jan buys a television for $5.99, what is the final bill including sales tax? So what we need to do is we need to take $5.99 and we need to find the sales tax for this first. The way you do that is you need to multiply this by the sales tax, but you don't want to multiply by the percentage, you want to multiply by its decimal. So the decimal is going to be like this, so we got to multiply those guys together. But in that form it's not going to be very easy, so I'm going to rewrite it like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend like the decimal's there, not there. So I'm going to pretend that it's just $5.99 multiplied by 29. We'll deal with the decimal later. Now, 9 times 9 is 81. Carry the 8. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 8 is 99. No, 89. 89. So 9 times 5 is 45, and then add 8, so you're going to get 53. Now, since we're going to be multiplying not by 2 but by 20, really, we got to actually add another 0. I'm going to get rid of these really quick. Alright, so 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Let's carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10 and 1 is 11. So when we add this, we end up getting 1, 17. This 9 and 1 will give you 10, plus 3 is 13. Carry the 1, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now, this looks like a really big number, but how many decimals are we dealing with? We're dealing with 1, 2, 3. Now, if there was a decimal up here, we'd have to add more, but we're only dealing with 3, so we're going to bring this over 3 decimal places. So my sales tax is going to be $17.37 for this thing that he's buying for $599. Now, that's the tax, that's the amount, so what we're going to be paying is $599 plus the amount of tax we're going to have. Now, I don't want to add this. There's actually an easier way. If I pretend that this is 600, your answer would be 617.37, but this is $1 off, so I'm going to subtract $1 from here, so my answer is going to be $6.16 and 37 cents. And that is his final bill.